Hi there, I'm Alex, an Axia Solutions AI avatar. Get ready to take your product strategy practice to the next level. In this video, we'll be exploring the differences between traditional product roadmaps and agile product roadmaps. We will start with a basic introduction to product roadmaps. Then we will see the differences between a traditional product roadmap and an agile product roadmap. Then we will explore the characteristics of an agile roadmap, and we will finish with some useful recommendations. Product roadmaps fundamentals. The product roadmap is a communication tool that outlines the steps required to turn product strategy into reality. It helps to define the scope, goals, and functions of the final product. The product roadmap is a crucial strategic tool for businesses, yet its implementation can often lead to friction and problems. While it is important and useful, poor execution can create challenges that hinder its effectiveness. The product roadmap is a vital tool that bridges the gap between a product strategy and execution. It serves as the single source of truth for a product's evolution and should be a living document that is continuously updated as goals shift, deadlines are delayed, and milestones are achieved. Unfortunately, in many cases, the roadmap is treated as a rigid, detailed delivery plan that is created at the start of the year and not revisited. This approach can lead to missed opportunities and hinder the product's ability to adapt to changes in the market or customer needs. A more agile and flexible approach to roadmap creation and maintenance can help businesses stay competitive and deliver value to their customers. Roadmaps are essential for turning product strategy into actionable plans. There are two main types: feature-based and goal-oriented. For commoditized or mature products, a traditional feature-based roadmap is more appropriate. These roadmaps prioritize product features and map them onto a timeline to indicate when they will be released. On the other hand, for emerging or growing markets, an agile roadmap is recommended. This results-oriented approach prioritizes outcomes such as customer acquisition, engagement, and conversion. Features are still important, but they are seen as components of items on the roadmap. Traditional versus agile roadmaps. A traditional product roadmap is a sequential chart that provides the big picture and communicates the steps to deliver your product. It shows the features or deliverables in the order they will be released. A traditional roadmap focuses on specific and detailed solutions, like epics or features. By contrast, an agile roadmap is focused around a set of objectives. It allows team members to be more flexible by prioritizing what's best for the business. An agile roadmap is less prescriptive than a traditional roadmap and provides a framework for prioritizing work, taking risks, and adapting to change. It is simple and lightweight, making it easy to maintain and share. Agile roadmaps are always a work in progress and constantly evaluated. An agile roadmap focuses on goals as measured by specific metrics. In summary, traditional roadmaps' purpose is to hit the death triangle. Their focus is on specific and detailed deliverables. They are planned annually. Investment is committed upfront. Their structure is rigid, and they are updated based on arbitrary requests. On the other hand, agile roadmaps' purpose is to hit specific goals. They are outcome-driven. They are planned and reviewed monthly and quarterly. Investment is incremental based on progress. Their structure is limitless, and they are updated based on insights from strategy, research, customers, and results. Agile roadmaps. To be truly agile, your company needs agility at all levels of decision-making. Simply being agile in delivery is not enough and may result in delivering something nobody wants. Embedding agility in upper decision-making layers transforms your organization into an agile one. Implementing OKRs and reviewing them quarterly is insufficient if you have a fixed roadmap arbitrarily defined at the beginning of the year. To achieve measurable objectives, an agile roadmap should accompany your OKRs. It should be reviewed frequently based on product discovery, research, customer feedback, or product metrics. This visual representation of product strategy and objectives evolves with time and includes key achievements to pursue in the future. An agile product roadmap focuses on the outcomes that you want to achieve rather than what you want to build or how you'll build it, so that you can deliver value to customers as quickly as possible based on short feedback loops. The Agile Roadmap is frequently reviewed based on insights from discovery, learnings from delivery, strategic changes, and product performance issues. This table provides a comprehensive overview of the benefits that organizations can experience by implementing Agile Roadmaps. 1. They provide visibility on how the product is likely to grow within the guidelines provided by product strategy and towards the goals. 2. Maximize focus by describing the strategic initiatives which are likely to get you closer to your goals. Everything else should be left out of the roadmap. 3. Cross-team alignment to the strategic initiatives to be pursued to achieve the product goals. 4. Frequent review and update of strategic plan based on insights from product discovery efforts, customer feedback, research, and delivery outcomes. 5. Help establish a modern product mindset by helping everyone focus on strategic outcomes rather than deliverables. And finally, roadmaps help product teams shift from outputs to outcomes by providing strategic guidance and problem orientation rather than solution orientation. In the final section of this video, we'll share 5 practical tips for creating an Agile roadmap in your organization. Let's dive in and discover how to make your roadmap flexible, adaptable, and responsive. Focus on objectives and key results. When changes to our product or market occur and we need to adapt quickly, we work with a goal-oriented product roadmap, sometimes also referred to as outcome-based. Such a roadmap focuses on product goals, benefits, or outcomes. Features still exist, but they are components of the roadmap themes and derived from the product goals and problems to solve for the customer. Make themes measurable. A practical recommendation is to integrate roadmap themes with OKRs. In this way, we ensure that all the items on the roadmap pursue a specific objective and are measurable with metrics. Keep it high level. Be concise in your product roadmap and avoid adding excess details. Ensure that you capture the necessary information and leave out anything unnecessary by focusing on what's important. The features in your roadmap themes should be at a high level. Keep epics and user stories out of the product roadmap. The product roadmap should document the strategy, while the backlog should focus on how to execute against those strategies. Therefore, it is important to ensure that the relationship between the roadmap and the backlog is not left to chance. Explicitly state what to avoid visualizing on the roadmap. Explicitly defining what is not displayed on the product roadmap is essential for its correct adoption. It clarifies the roadmap's strategic function and distinguishes it from the executive function of the backlog. Agile Roadmap Management. An Agile approach means regularly updating your objectives, targets, and strategic plan. Product direction can change quickly in an Agile environment, so reviewing and updating your product roadmap every 4 weeks or 3 months keeps you on track. Product teams should review direction as needed, and the product roadmap should reflect changes from both the strategic level and product delivery. The product manager is responsible for updating the roadmap and involving stakeholders in the process. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more, visit our website for additional valuable content on product strategy and product discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on the latest tips and trends in product management. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you soon.